Okay.
Oh my god, you scared the crap
Bro,
out of
everybody,
me.
everybody,
There's a
everybody,
TV in there. You know where the monster is.
turn on gamer
There's
mode.
a TV in here, and there's a monster in there too.
Turn on gamer
There's
mode.
a TV of a monster.
He's not here.
See?
Green,
He's not here.
go turn on gamer mode.
Go turn on what?
Gamer mode.
Where's that at?
Monster.
It makes everything darker.
Run, yellow,
Oh my
run.
god, run.
Come on.
Why do I
Run,
want stuff
yellow.
darker?
Guys, do you guys have gamer mode on?
Dude, run.
No.
Go turn on gamer mode. Where is he?
Run!
Oh, go, 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 go. Move, Green. Move, Green, please. Please, Green. Green, 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 Green.
I'm gonna freaking die! I'm gonna
I'm like, oh, I feel like it's
die!
over.
Freaking
Green, you got in my way. You run too slow.
No, I'm not. I just started
should I
playing
turn on
this game
game mode?
today, dude.
Because it's funner and scarier.
Dude, I literally just started playing this game today.
Green,
Freaking scary.
you run so slow. I was behind
I
you.
just started playing today. This is nothing like Gorilla Tag at all.
Oh, you just started playing today?
Yeah.
It's scary, huh? At first, but then you get used to it.
Yes.
So apparently, you could check where the monster.
Dude, I wanna watch everybody on the TV thing.
No, apparently it's the monster.
Oh, I wanna watch. Oh, is this the killer?
I think it is. So he turns that way. Does he have like a route? No, whenever he sees us, he just chases us. Oh,
Oh my gosh.
White, you better run, White.
Wait, he's chasing you.
Oh, he went into the safe mode. In the safe area.
Stop it. Get some help.
Guys, we can see what the monster sees.
Oh, blue is done.
Oh, Blue, you better
Blue
run,
is
Blue.
so done.
Hey, you wanna go see me?
Oh, Blue, you're done.
I'm gonna go get chased, Green. I'm gonna go get chased.
Okay, I'm gonna watch.
Okay.
Where did Blue go?
Where's he at? Hey, where's the monster?
He's over there.
Blue.
Yo,
Blue.
Who said I'm done? I'm gonna hide.
Bro, I can't see nothing with gamer mode on.
I'll sit on top of you too. I don't see you.
I can't see
He's
nothing with
following-
gamer
no.
mode. Go, go, go.
Wait until he comes. He went the wrong way. Oh my gosh. He's gonna come.
I can't see. Move, move. Yellow, yellow, please move. Why am I always in last? Why am I always in last?
Oh my god, I see his red eyes. I see his red eyes. Oh, awesome. We go. Oh, he lost you. He lost you.
Oh, go, 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 go. Green, green, blue. Did you see me?
Yes.
Bro, I'm gonna go back.
Hold up. I'm gonna come.
Okay, I'll watch you. I'll watch you guys.
Okay. Oh, freak, how do you get back up there?
You have to like squeeze yourself.
Dang, Pink. Dang.
You gotta get both your hands up there, in there, and then you gotta like crawl up.
Dang. Hold up.
Only one person at a time. There it goes. Now crawl up, crawl up. No, crawl. Oh.
Ah! It's cause like my body wasn't in there.
Here, let me see. Hold on.
Let me try real quick.